Hi there, my name is Radosław Miernik and I'm head of engineering at Alino. I've been working with Meteor since 2015, so it's been quite a while. And I was working with Meteor both professionally as a part of a software agency and as a product company, but also privately for free as an open source maintainer. And you may know me for packages like Uniforms, maybe Chainstream to Redis or Universe i18.8. Those were the ones that I think are the most popular currently. And yeah, today I would like to tell you something about Meteor version 3 because it's just around the corner and we thought that it would be really nice to let people heads up that, hey, it's coming, there are things happening. So Meteor version 3 for me is a really huge leap into the future. First of all, because we finally get rid of fibers. If you saw my presentation from I think 2 years back on Meteor Impact Conference, that was the time that we thought, hey, we will get rid of fibers anytime soon. It took us slightly longer than we thought, but it's for a good reason, because we want to make it really nice from the beginning. We are not just trying to make it happen, we are not just trying to make it possible, we want to make sure that it's actually usable from the API perspective, that it's actually usable from the performance, security, things like that. So yeah, no more fibers. What does it mean for you? It means that all of the NPM packages out there that you may want to use right now will be possible to be used within Meteor. No more incompatibilities with async hooks or some other, magics happening underneath because of the fibers. It's just gone. We are also finally able to upgrade to Node.js version 20. So that means performance, that means, stability and whatever comes with it. That's really, really nice things to have. Among other things and features coming with Meteor version 3, I would say the asyncification of Blaze that I've been working on. Yeah, I have to say something about it, right? Because I've been working on it. And what does it mean is that for now, Blaze was completely synchronous. So whenever your Blaze templates were rendering anything, they just had to render those things and those things had to happen synchronously. And right now, with the asyncification process, we made it possible for basically all of the Blaze constructs, to accept promises as first-class values, right? So you can find that we render a promise value, or you can use it in an if condition, in a binding, in a helper, whatever. It just works. So it makes Blaze even better, even easier to use, and even more on par with the current front-end frameworks, right? Like React or Vue or Angular or whatever. That's about it. See you around on GitHub. Maybe you have some issues, just post them. Maybe you have some ideas, create a pull request for that. Maybe in discussions you want to talk about some things. There's also a forum. Join us. And if not, there are also some events coming very, very soon about Meteor version 3. So yeah, see you around.